Feeling in the pink? Spring is your season. All the favorite blooms available now. Let's get started. Springtime brings so many fabulous pink blooms. Two of my favorites, ranunculus and nerine in the hot pink. A little bit fragile. Some mechanics using a compote that gives ample water and then creating a grid of clear waterproof tape. Just crossing over repeatedly and then add fresh water pre-mixed with flower food. The pink color pairs well with the more grayed foliage. Some of the parvifolia gives a nice draping quality to it. Just giving it a cut, making sure the lower foliage is off, and then feeding it right into the grid, letting it drape. Dusty Miller, another one that's fabulous. Working in the round, following a central binding point, just weave it through from side to side and all around. Starting with the softer pink, some light pink mini carnations, and using those to start filling in, drawing your eye into the center of the arrangement, doing some down very short, tucked below, and then sweet peas. They're so grand. Letting them drape outward. And on the opposite side as well. And then coming back with a few more of the mini carnations to add more of that soft pink hue. Now for the beautiful hot pink, filling it in. Finding the perfect hole and grouping them. So it adds a little more visual value. Bring them around to the opposite side. Facing them so that they look vibrant and fabulous. And then bringing in the nerines. Grouping them towards the center and letting them come upward. As a final touch, filling in a bit of jasmine vine, just kind of weaving it in to add more draping, more softness. Smaller bits can even come up into the arrangement, determining which way it will flow the best. Letting it drape down the front. Then for a last beautiful touch, a little bit of anemone in a purpley pink and tucking it in more to the focal emphasis area. The recipe, I used about half a bunch of the Dusty Miller, a fourth of a bunch of the Parvifolia, and a half a bunch of jasmine vine. That created the base. Then flowers, 10 of the ranunculus, 10 sweet peas, and 10 miniature carnations. Then 5 nerines and 5 anemone. Pink is such a fabulous flower color. Comes in tints, tones, and shades that mix and match so well. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website at flowerschool.com. You'll see lots of pink there as well. Now it's your turn. Gather your favorite blooms, create, take a picture, and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute so we all can see what you do as you do something you love.